Hello students, today we will study relations examples. In previous videos we have studied relations, types of relations. If you want more benefit of this video, then you watch previous video. I am taking some examples for relations. In these examples, we have to observe that given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. In previous video, we have studied types of relations. So in types of relations are: number 1, empty relation; number 2, universal relation; number 3, reflexive relation; number 4, symmetric relation; number 5, transitive relation, and at last equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Equivalent relation is that relation which is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. Equivalence relation वो relation होता है जो reflexive भी है, symmetric भी है और transitive भी है. It is clear? But now we will observe through these examples which relation is symmetric, reflexive and transitive. First example, here we have to check whether the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में दिया हुआ है रिलेशन कैपिटल आर इन सेट कैपिटल ए हैविंग एलिमेंट्स 1, 2, 3 डैश 13 एंड 14. डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिलेशन इज गिवन हियर x, y एंड रिलेशन बिटवीन x एंड y इज डिफाइंड बाय दिस 3x minus y equal to 0. तो वी हैव टू चेक हियर कि दिस रिलेशन इज रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक और ट्रांजिटिव. तो सॉल्यूशन ऑफ फर्स्ट कैपिटल R is x, y such that x minus y equal to 0 and this relation is defined on capital A having elements 1, 2, 3 13 and 14. Okay, for this relation x minus 3y equal to 0 or y equal 3x. This is the relation between these x and y. जो ऑर्डर पेयर आपको x y दिया हुआ है उसमें x y के बीच में ये रिलेशन है. This is the builder form of relation. First we find roster form of this relation. Capital R, we have capital R, so we take value of this x from set capital A and values we will consider 1, 2, 3 and up to 14. But always remember this कि each element of this relation of order pair related to सेट ए, दोनों एलिमेंट ऑर्डर पेयर के सेट ए से रिलेटेड होने चाहिए. सो वी टेक फर्स्ट x इक्वल 1 एंड पुट दिस x इक्वल 1, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. If we take x equal 5, so then y will be 15 and this value y 15 not include in a के अंदर y 15 नहीं है. So we will not consider this order pair 5,15 इस ऑर्डर पेयर को रिलेशन के अंदर नहीं कंसीडर करेंगे. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस we have to observe this relation is reflexive or not. The first, for reflexive. For reflexive. In this case, order pair having first element and second element same. ऑर्डर पेयर के दोनों एलिमेंट सेम होने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए कॉमा ए रिलेटेड टू आर, दिस वे इस फॉर्म के एग्जाम्पल्स होने चाहिए. इमेज एंड प्री इमेज मस्ट बी इक्वल. हेयर फ्रॉम द रिलेशन 1,1, 2,2, 3,3, 4,4 not belongs to R. These pairs 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 are not belongs to relation R. ये ऑर्डर पेयर आपके रिलेशन R के अंदर नहीं है. ड्यू टू दिस रिलेशन R is not reflexive. So therefore R is not reflexive. It is clear? After that, for symmetric, in this case ऑर्डर पेयर्स इस टाइप का होना चाहिए. सपोज a कॉमा b बिलोंग टू R, तो देन इट मस्ट बी b कॉमा a ऑल्सो बिलोंग टू R. इसका रिवर्स भी इस R के अंदर होना चाहिए. तो सच टाइप पेयर्स इफ एग्जिस्ट इन द रिलेशन, तो देन वी विल से दैट रिलेशन इज सेड टू बी सिमेट्रिक. तो वो रिलेशन सिमेट्रिक होगा. हेयर as we are observing 1,3 belong to R, 2,6 belong to R, 3,9 belong to R and 4,12 belong to R. But 3,1, 6,2, 9,3 and 12,4 not belong to R. इन ऑर्डर पेयर्स का रिवर्सिंग पेयर्स R के अंदर बिलोंग नहीं कर रही हैं. ड्यू टू दिस रिलेशन R इज नॉट सिमेट्रिक. इट इज क्लियर? रिवर्स होने के बाद ऑर्डर पेयर R के अंदर आनी चाहिए. तो देन वी विल से दिस रिलेशन सेड टू बी सिमेट्रिक. थर्ड, ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन. transitive relation. Okay, this relation is transitive or not? So for this condition, such type order pairs should be एलिमेंट ऑफ रिलेशन. इस टाइप की पेयर आपकी रिलेशन आर के अंदर होनी चाहिए. ए कॉमा बी बिलोंग टू आर, बी कॉमा सी बिलोंग टू आर, ए कॉमा बी. सेकेंड एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस ऑर्डर पेयर इज फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ सेकेंड ऑर्डर पेयर. तो देन इट मस्ट बी ए कॉमा सी, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस एंड second element of second order pair. So this order pair A comma C also belong to a relation R. So then we will say this relation R is said to be transitive, otherwise not. यहाँ ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि यहाँ कंडीशन क्या है. तो हेयर इन दिस केस 1,3 बिलोंग टू आर. हेयर दिस पेयर बिलोंग टू आर एंड related to element related to 3, this pair 3,9 belong to R. These two pairs belong to R, but 1,9, this order pair 1,9 not belong to R, not belong to R. 1 और 9 ये ऑर्डर पेयर्स R के अंदर नहीं है. तो ड्यू टू दिस रिलेशन, therefore relation R is not transitive. ये रिलेशन आपका ट्रांजिटिव नहीं है. इन दिस वे we can say about this relation that this relation are defined by this condition is not reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. It is clear? ये कंडीशन इसके अंदर नहीं है. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड, solution of second. Here definition of R is A comma B such that these elements is related to by condition A less than equal B cube. In this case order pairs element is related to this condition, related to this condition. Same way as previous question, previous example, we observe for this relation okay, is it reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So now for reflexive, for this case this relation is defined on set of real number capital R. This is defined on set of real number represented by bold letter capital R. जो डार्क लेटर कैपिटल R से रिप्रेजेंट किया है, it is represented, this denotes set of real number. Now we take here we consider here A equal 1 and B equal 1. If we take value of A and B 1 1, so then What we observe, to put these values here 1 into 1 cube, it means this condition is true, that is 1 comma 1 belong to R. Through these values, this condition shows that relation R is reflexive. So we consider another values here, like as if we take A equal 1 by 2 and B equal 1 by 2, so then 1 by 2 less than equal 1 by 2 cube. This gives 1 by 2 less than 1 by 8. It is not true. Not true. It means 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, this order pair not belong to R. This order pair of same element not belong to R. Due to this relation R is not reflexive. Is not reflexive. Okay. After this, for symmetric, for symmetric, let in this case 1 comma 2 belong to R. We consider this here 1 2 belong to capital R. These are element of real numbers. By definition of relation, here A is 1 and B value is 2. To put these values here imply that 1 less than equal 2 cube, it is true, and 2 less than, on reversing these elements, we observe here it is 2 less than 1 cube is 1. It is not true. Not true. It means 2 comma 1 not belong to R. Here as it is clear 1 comma 2 belong to R, but 2 comma 1 not belong to R. Reverse of these elements order pair not belong to R. It means relation R is not symmetric. Relation R is not symmetric. It is clear? Now for transitive. In this case, we consider two such order pairs which belong to relation R, but third order pair not belong to R. Like this, A comma B belong to R, B comma C belong to R, but A comma C not belong to R. Third order pair not belong to R. The four transitive. Let we have 100 comma 5 belong to R and 5 comma 2 belong to R. Where 100, 5 and 2, these are real numbers. These are real numbers. So by definition of relation, relation की definition से, for this order pair value of A 100, value of B 5, तो 100 less than 5 cube, it is true. And for this order pair value of A 5 and value of B 2, तो 5 less than 2 cube, it is also true. Now observe order pair of 100 and 2, 102, इस ऑर्डर पेयर को ऑब्जर्व करो कि दिस बिलोंग टू आर और नॉट, ये आर में बिलोंग करती है नहीं, तो 102 क्यूब, दैट इज 102 क्यूब इज 8, नॉट बिलोंग टू, मतलब इट इज नॉट ट्रू, नॉट ट्रू. इट मीन दिस ऑर्डर पेयर नॉट बिलोंग टू आर. सो बट $100 less than equal 2 cube, not true, not true. That is 100, 2, this order pair not belong to R. Due to this relation R is not transitive. Therefore, R is not transitive. This relation is not transitive. In this way, we can say this relation which is defined from this condition is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. It is clear? After that, in next class, if you like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, you follow Telegram, Trigo Academy, link description में. Thank you.